Introducing Amelia. Amelia is intelligent assistance technology beyond that of simple chatbots. Amelia can understand the intent of your query and has memory capabilities which enables her to learn and process data to provide a more seamless conversation with end users contacting CGI with their IT issues and requests. Through the Amelia project, CGI has learnt to automate processes for our clients with our artificial intelligence and robotic process automation team. Self-sufficiency enables us to be agile, helping clients directly and more quickly without needing the support of third parties. Amelia is accessible from this link, or feel free to scan the QR code. It can be accessed from a work or personal computer, a tablet, or a mobile phone. This means that Amelia is always with you on the go. To make it easier for you, we've put an icon on your desktop to access Amelia. Double-click on this and it will open in your browser. If you're not using your work computer, you will be asked to log into a page that looks like this. Please use your council email address and the password you use to log into your PC. Amelia will start every conversation with the following message. Amelia will then ask if you are raising this issue on behalf of another user. If you are logging an issue on behalf of someone, press yes. You will then be asked for the email address of the person who is having the issue. If you are the person having the issue, press no. Amelia will then ask you if you have an alternative phone number for us to contact you on. We want to make sure we have the best number to contact you. A panel on the top right side of Amelia will show the contact information that CGI has stored about you in their call logging platform. Once all those questions are complete, Amelia will then ask you, "How can I help you?" You will then be presented with the following options. Raise a ticket and manage my open tickets. The raise a ticket option allows you to briefly describe your issue. Amelia will then use intent recognition, which selects the type of call you are describing and continue to ask you questions based on the type of call you have described, such as the laptop in my classroom has stopped working. Amelia is trained on all issues. However, if you need to request a new IT service, please use My IT. Amelia is also able to help manage your open tickets. This supports you in managing the tickets you have opened with the service desk. Select this option if you want to find out where your existing ticket is, or want to update it with more information, or if your issue is resolved and you want to close your ticket. Once all triage is complete, Amelia will automatically log a ticket for you. If Amelia was able to resolve your issue, it will confirm with you before closing the ticket. If Amelia was not able to resolve your issue, it will automatically log the ticket and assign to relevant support team, with the option of a service desk agent calling you instantly. Once you have a reference, Amelia will ask you to rate your conversation with her. This is your opportunity to provide feedback on your interaction with Amelia. Click on the icons which best describes how the interaction went. You will then be able to provide additional comments. Here are some frequently asked questions about Amelia.
Why should I use Amelia? Isn't it easier to just phone the service desk?
Amelia allows you to log a ticket in your own time as well as resolve simple IT issues and queries through self-help. All the information you provide will then be readily available for the support team to support your issue.
How quickly will I be contacted?
You will have the option to receive a call back instantly, if required, from a service desk agent.
Can I use this on my phone?
Yes, any mobile phone with a modern browser will allow you to log in to Amelia.
I'm using Internet Explorer. Why isn't Amelia working?
Amelia doesn't work with Internet Explorer. Use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Chrome.
What should I do if something has gone wrong with Amelia?
Call the CGI service desk.
I've made a mistake in the conversation. Can I restart it?
Use the Reset Conversation button at the top right of the Amelia conversation window.
What's the best way to describe my issue to Amelia?
Amelia works best with a brief description of the issue, such as the laptop in my classroom has stopped working, rather than using a big paragraph describing the issue, or using limited words such as laptop, broke. That's all you need to know about Amelia, your new intelligent assistant. Thank you.